This week in Brussels, in the European Parliament, I've been delighted to welcome Steffan Davies, who's from the Rhondda, like me, but he's a student in Aberystwyth University. And Steffan's been here with us for the week to have the experience of being in the Parliament and seeing what we do. Have you enjoyed it?
Yeah, it's been great. It's been a wonderful experience, and it's a massive place, and it's where a lot of important decisions are made, so it's great to be here.
There's a big council meeting going on in Brussels today with the government ministers, but there have been a lot of important things happening here this week. What sort of things have you been able to do?
Well, I went to a few committees on agriculture and the E. coli outbreaks. That was quite interesting and quite relevant to what's been happening, and I went to the launch of a Macedonian and Greek dictionary, so that was a total at the end of the spectrum. So it was really interesting, and a lot of different things, and looking at how the whole European establishment really works.
What about the future? I know you're only just at the end of your first year in Aber, but might you think about coming back and doing something in Europe?
Well, perhaps. Who knows? I really don't know what I want to do, so I have to leave it open. But this week's been really great, and to see how it works has been fantastic.
Great.
So thank you.
Well, thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Thanks.